How to appear offline on Discord. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how to appear offline on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, log in into discord.com. Once you're logged in, now navigate to your profile at the bottom left corner. Click on your profile name from here. After this, you will have this pop-up box in the interface. Head towards this online option. Once you hover your mouse over there, here you have various options to choose from. The first one is online. The second one is idle. The third one is do not disturb, where you will not receive any desktop notification. Under that, there is an option for invisible. Here it says you will appear offline. So to appear offline on Discord, select this last option, and here it says until tomorrow at 5:44 p.m. you will be appeared as offline. But you can change this time from here. You can either go for forever, for 3 days, for 24 hours, for 8, 1 or 15 minutes. So according to your choice, you can choose one from here as well. That's it. That's how you appear offline on Discord, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.